All right, welcome back to US session. I don't know how long I will keep this session open though. I decided to lock in my express funded with the nice profit that we made during UK session. That one is locked out. That's so far only been 3 days. It's funny that trades under 15%, 15 seconds is 100% profitable, and trades that I have the longest hold is 100%. 7 trades and actually 10 trades, but every trade is an entry. So this is the stats so far. Today has been, yeah, we did a small loss on the NQ, pre-empty the short. Then I took the short again, but no, I took the long. Took a long up to a stop loss area where I thought the price was going to be. So we took back that loss on that. Then I think I preempted the short again, and I more or less took a break-even trade when I saw the price went back up again. And then I took the short and took profit of partial of it. I'm not sure. Whatever. This is the short. I don't know what this is. This is weird. Small loss here. I don't know. Anyway, so this is the trade we took. Now every entry with 4 cons acts less like a trade, but like in this trade, I have 12 micros in one trade. So, but that counts as 3 trades. So it's a little bit misguidance when you see the amount of trades I take. Normally I take 3 instances. This is fun. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Every one of these is a trade entry. So with 2 micros on this trade, $200, 3 micros, $300. That's decent. Each micro, $100. That's pretty good, in my opinion. So we end the week very green in my XFA. I'm very happy about that. Hopefully we continue the green streak next week and can balance our account better for a first payout, I hope. So what I did, since I do want to take a trade maybe in the US session, I saw gold. I just waited for opportunity to long it. It has been a struggle. I took a beat with $315 in this combine. After, let's say, might have, yeah, it might have been this one. I went in here long, went up in green, came back to my entry, chop, 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 and then back down and stopped me out here. And then I saw this channel, kind of a bullish pennant or bearish pennant, since it's down, but it is bullish if it breaks out to the top. If it caves down at the bottom, then it's a great short. Or it could fake out and then come up. So it can be tricky. I did a little bit of preempt in this with 10 contracts, and then if we broke out, I took 2 more 5 each micros up here. So my average is now back at this trend line, channel trend line to the top here. And I'm looking to come up to this breaking, I should say, Asia close around 7 a.m. in Swedish time. It's also where when Europeans start to trade. But I would say Asia close here. I think gold will tap into that and come higher. So I will take out 15 of my 20 right now. I would not go this heavy in my XFA, because if this drops and come back all the way down here, that's $1,000 to add to the loss. I do not want to see price go below here though. Don't want price, let's say price action, to move below and hold. And we should probably put that at the bottom. So that's a line I want to put my stop loss to, which then gives a 3.3 ratio up to this. But for now, I'm holding down here, and it's barely a 2 to 1 ratio. With this pump, though, I have hard to believe we are going to come down hard and make a lower here. But I don't know. I don't know. We could trim it to this low, which is the pivot low. That would bring this trade to a 2.2. But for now, I'm gonna hold this down here. Just monitor it. When we get closer up here, I will trim my stop loss to around here, I think. I will drag this here. I'll drag it here. So if we come up around this zone up here, like here, and price is plummeting, I would be pretty bummed, because it did it here. Everyone thought this was gonna break the Asia high to take out the stop losses. No. It came right back down to get more liquidity, and that was a really fake for the longs. So maybe it will continue to fake out the longs. It's possible. But I do think we are going to take Asia high this time. 59% tilt to the long side. It is not that high. Often when you see the tilt above 70 in gold on this kind of move, because it's a really nice breakout to the long side here with this pennant. So we did have we could say that we might have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 perhaps, possibly, or this. Come on, me down there. There you go. So we came down to, I marked this blue zone earlier and we peaked it perfectly down here. So having a buy entry down here would have been awesome. But we didn't. We came down pretty hard here, so who knows? We have this bottom channel here. Tick to the bottom, enter it, bottom, 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 bottom. So every time it reacted from it in some way. So hopefully we're in for the break now to the top. It's gonna be a nice push to this new combine. I'm already very happy with ending the XFA in a good day, ending the week. So trading a combine feels more relaxed, and I have my evening already booked, so I will probably stay in for US Open and for about maybe an hour more. Then I will have to end the stream. So for the Express funded account, we took this short. It's very cluttery right now. We took a short here. It came right back up. And then we came here. I took a long. I got the loss back. And then on this candle, I think I shorted. We saw price come up again, so I more or less break that even. We came up here. I was looking to maybe go to the full extent of this red zone. I have marked the high, the bottom of this wicks, and I took the bottom wick, bottom of this candle, and I just dragged it out. We almost came up to it, then we came down. We created this nice. This is a 50-minute chart, but also the 30-minute was a very good bearish candle, which strengthened that this might be the top. So I shorted with 8 contracts, then I added 8 contracts, so I was in with 16 contracts. Then we had this rally up. I printed this line, don't want price to move above this and hold. Well, I put some contracts to take out if we come up here again to lighten me up if we're gonna shoot up more. And it took out some of it, and then it came right back down. So that was pretty annoying. So I had a worse average price when I saw the price was moving down. I added down here. But then price just flushed down here. And we came to my long, very long, since 1st of August. We have hit it 1, 2, 3, react strong from it. We barely touched it here, strong move up. We came down in the PPI yesterday. We broke it slightly, but then we strongly reacted from it. So I was a little bit hesitant to think maybe we're gonna go up, continue up, new all-time highs. But then I thought the PPI was really bad. It was hot, and prices are looking to go up again for the consumers. And talk about that. We have a news about that today about consumer price index. That is a lagging indicator though, so maybe that's not affected yet. But that made me think we got this strong selling here. Then we came up above, took up out every short that hold, and we came strong back down, up again, and pretty strong down. And then all Asia we have been zombie rallied to the right. And this morning when UK opened, we came right up here in this area. We took out stop losses that holds above this pivot. We still have stop losses up here and the all-time highs. But we did see this come down and we have now broken this long channel. I could delete this. And this is the trade we took. We came down here. I had this stop loss zone. I also had this conflict zone, buyer stepping in, because every time we come into the zone, there's strong reaction up, up, up. You see here from now. Very, very, very strong. I'm gonna draw this. Maybe I could print this as a high and we could maybe scale in this as a low. Yeah, that's maybe more like it. So we exited here in this confliction zone. I was saying, well, we might come down, take this stop loss, but there are heavy, this is a heavy area of defenders to keep their buys in. Still, I still think the US will eventually come down to this area, break the PPI low, and come down here. And maybe next week we will see the price below the daily EMA 9. Looking at the big picture, we have barely moved. Looking at this now, to be honest, we have this bottom here, shoulder, head, shoulder. Could we go up and double tap the all-time highs? Interesting. Interesting find. I just saw it. Possible head and shoulder. We could make an all-time high visit again. I still think we will not, because of the PPI was so hot. I think we're gonna come down, but we'll see. But that was my trade. Very good trade. Almost, yeah, four ratio over return. Delete that. I don't think this is too much to have. Yeah, so good luck trading Nasdaq today. I could actually see this double top all-time highs, but the more probably is that we're gonna come up here, touching the bottom of this long channel here. And then we do another strong leg down. If this is wave 1 in wave 3, next leg will be at least to this level. I'm not saying it will be, but normally we go to extended of Fibonacci to 1.618. And the even extreme one goes here which is actually at the daily EMA 9, which price tend to seek and maybe bounce from. So it's going to be an interesting day in the Nasdaq for sure. If this trading goal doesn't go my way, or if I'm not done with my goal, I might take a Nasdaq trade to the short side. I'm not inclined to go long unless I really see us come up here and test the extremes here. Buy zone still available. This zone, strong buyers, zombie buyers. Now we have some strong buying as well. But we have some short area of stop losses. We have a new one actually. This pivot, I forgot. At the 4-hour high. Have some stop losses here. Stop loss zone. Always an interest to Nasdaq take out. But this also conflicts with sellers stepping in every time. We did jump up above it 2 times here. Otherwise, we have been selling, selling. We came up, but we couldn't hold. Came up, couldn't hold. Here selling, and here again selling. So watch the 4-hour low come and take this a little bit up to this channel. Then we see how price reacts. Go back to the gold and see how this develops. Okay. So this Fibonacci is telling me that this is possibly wave 5. Possibly wave 5. We have wave 1, 2, and then we have wave 1 in wave 3, 2 in wave 3, 3 in wave 3, 4 in wave 3, 5 in wave 3. Then we're going to have a drop, possibly from, see the high there. It's pretty nice with this one. Going to have maybe a price reaction all the way down to the, let's see, if I stretch this out to full length of the wave, that would be like this. Yeah, that's about 50. Just to take out the stop losses down here. And that would also telling me that it's going to be a pretty strong 5th wave. This is the 4th, remember? And the 5th is going to take us up here. See that? I love the Fibonacci. I love the Fibonacci. We're actually pretty strong reacting this. We'll see. If we come down lower low than this might be the 5th wave, which makes it a little bit in conflict here. How far back this is coming. I'm not really liking it coming back that much. It could be a huge wave though. we could see price come into this zone, bounce back. I'm inclined to take this out, maybe, and add if we come below this zone with the same kind of entry that I have now. Oh, I feel intrigued here. Take the profit. I am going to. I am going to. Because I think we're in for a bigger hole than I think here. This is wave 1 of wave 3. Here. The top is here. 50. Could buy in 5 here. Actually, let's a little bit less. What if we come back all the way here? I don't want price action to move below this. That is correct. What if we come back and bounce on this? This is the 50 though. 50 Fibonacci of this wave here. What I want is if this is wave 1 in wave 3. Wave 3 is going to be huge. Wave 3 is going to take us almost all the way up here. We're in with 10. I want to see if we come all the way down here. Wow. Crazy, huh? Now we'll see if this continue down. We're at this channel now. I would like to see a bounce here. I really would like to see a bounce here. That would make this rate crazy. Since we got out here, very nice. Took back the loss. And now we have a even better average, but less risk. Now it's not much I can do. If this comes down, wow, really strong. If we break this and come down, I think we're gonna come down to this. Visit this green. Oh, the green is actually up here. Green is actually where my stop loss is. That's pretty crazy. If we do like this, like this. We need to force our stop loss below here. 3.20 risk. That's a new low of the day. 3.6. I don't really want that. I'd rather take my 2 and then take another bite down here. This is also buy. Yeah, this could be a full length wave actually. Could be a full length wave. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5. That's a full wave. If that's happening. This white line gets broken. Like I say, I don't want price action to move low and hold. We could just peak here and then rally up. If it is a full wave. I could trim it below this pivot. All right, let's check NQ. Nothing much happening here. I still think we might go a little bit higher. What are you doing, gold? I don't want you to drop here now again. Really? Okay. Gonna wait. Looks like it's gonna get broken. Now it's more like I don't want this. Because that would really ruin my view. You could take a snap by down here. We didn't move below it. This top channel is still holding. I keep that reference. Move this out of my way. We can get in. This could be ugly if this. We are below that line. Okay, we are here. Let's trim our stop right here. This is kind of crazy. Oh shit, look at that. We only got in with 5. Gold has such a hasty moves short today. Only got in with 5. So we broke this. That means we can come down more. This mid area here. It actually ticked our buy here, but it didn't take us. Again, we didn't get it. This is a strong buy zone though, all the way down here. We have only a stop loss of 2.2. That is actually manageable. Come on, you ticked our next 5 2 times, but not got us in. We got a lot of news in 10 minutes. Oh no, don't do this. Don't go without me here. Don't leave without me here. You tick this channel very nicely though. One more time, look at that. Tick our 5 entry one more time here. Come on. Might leave us. It might leave us. I'm gonna buy in one. What is this? Now it's actually pretty huge. I'm gonna leave it down there. We will get delete that. A 3 ratio trade anyway. It's nice. Oh, coming down again. Trump on trade. I'll be setting tariffs on steel and ships next week. Okay. That probably created some volatility here. Oh, Nasdaq is actually going down. Well, well, well. If price goes up here though, my pivot will be at this level. So I need to trim my stop loss here. If price moves, that's what it's gonna be. 5 minutes to news. Maybe we do this and we do that. We keep it a little bit smaller. Trump on steel and ships tariffs. The rate is going to be lower at the beginning. Okay. I need a short break. Be right back. Okay. 40 seconds. Twenty. 15. 10. 5. All right, here we go. Waiting on the news. Use retail lower. Lower. Okay. But that is a lagging indicator though. Use retail sales actually lower month over month. Export prices came in as expected. Oh shit. Wow, it turned on me. Core retail sales came in as expected. Okay, we get out of that one. Wow, 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 wow. This is bottom ticking this longer channel, but we have pushed through it. Or have we? No, we have not. Are we going to do it this time though? Or is it going to hold? I'm preempting this. Gold has been so bearish today. Wow, really? Yeah, I don't want this. I don't want this. Go ahead and take it. Yikes. So gold is dipping. Gold is dipping. So how low prices can we see then? It's such a hard time seeing gold dump. To be honest, I have little faith in this drop. Are we in 25? 25? Jesus. That was a little bit over the top. We have a pretty good average here with coming up here. This US retail sales are lagging. And we just got the PPI yesterday, indicating higher prices. That's why I don't really trust this drop on gold. But who am I to say that, right? Trader trims bets on the Fed rate cut. September rate cut still seen with one more later in 2025. Yeah, but percentage has gone down. They still overweigh that the Fed is going to cut in September. Can we push this to the moon, gold? So I dare to trim my stop loss here. We're back fighting at the top of this long channel here. Just holding my mouse here until I see gold price starts to move strongly up. I feel more comfortable in placing the stop loss here. Since even though Combine is a sim, I want to trade it as if Alive or XFA. Yeah, XFA is also in a sim, but I think still they can see some kind of placement of I don't know. I don't want to get into that. Come on, go make a strong push up here. That would have make me happy. Actually like to see us come above here. That would really strengthen this trade. Right now we have a 7 when I'm gonna trail this, it's a 7 RR. If you come up here. This, however, is look at that beauty. Oh, come on. Snap me to the low there. Yeah, so basically, this is the real smart money buying down here. This zone here. And we came straight in the middle of it. SMC, the zone, smart money concept. Oh. So this is a nice fake out. 70% long is now average 3386, which is up here. Almost the average is there. Here's the average long. Maybe slightly lower. That's actually a very good long position above this pivot. We came up, you get confirmation that it's going higher, everyone steps in here. Now we have this not knowing if this is an A, B, C behavior. We did not, did we break this? No, we are at the equal tops. We are, however, going to trim this now, since we broke that top. All right, so check in NASDAQ. At the news, we are pumping up. I don't know. I don't trust this either. I do want to see us touch this channel low before we go any deeper dive. We made a nice higher high though. In the NAS. If we break this, it might fall down. I do want this higher up, but also this is already a really dragged out consolidation, and it reached the fib 50 that I marked here on the somewhere. We might see a push down here. I don't really trust this yet. It's a very heavy zone down here. A lot of buyers. So I did preempt this, but that was only because well, we did broke this zone down. Then we had this zone. Thank God I had that zone. And we came to it, and I saw the immediate reaction below it, up above it. So I was thinking maybe take a scalp, some of the losses, but then price just spiked up here. Then I noticed I had 25 contracts, which is, yeah, that's a bit heavy. So I sold off 5 up here to have 20, which gave back some of the losses. So I waited, and then I saw this confirmation. We're going up. This could be complete now, complete wave. So we're gonna see us come down here strong. That would be pretty crazy. But we have an average below this now, so I'm gonna diamond hand this. I am. I want us up here so bad. Take out the Asia high. I'm gonna take out 15 here and just let 5 run to complete our day. We might even be complete before we get up here though. Right now I'm loving this trade. I don't sweat at all. If it comes down and stop me out and it goes lower, I won't feel bad actually. I would feel bad that I didn't take some out up here. I mean, we're up $1,600 on this trade. So right now we are in profit of, yeah, you see here. But to me, we came up, we came lower. Now we came up again. So I would say that this is the liquidity grab needed to go higher. Looking at RSI, 30 minutes is curling up from having at the bottom. 50 minutes has been dragging along the bottom here. Going lower low, but this hold even, Steven. Then we pushed up. Then we pushed lower low, but the price is higher low. divergent. That's saying this is gonna go higher. To me, that is gonna say it's gonna go higher. Five minutes is pretty exhausting though, so we could see some downside here before we move higher. Let's see the NAS. We are moving up. This is yikes. Look at this 5 minute here. Oof, 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 oof. This is not fun to trade. Not fun to trade. Are we breaking? Kind of breaking here. I think this, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. This could be the real drop though. 5 minute is looking down. 30 minute is crossing over again. It's like it's rolling over. 50 minute is hesitating. Could go up still. 4 hour is actually curling up. I would like this to go down and drag along the bottom here. For a SI on the 15 minutes, we have been doing equal highs, but actually came in lower high on the RSI, which would mean we're gonna go up, which we have. Gold is going down now. Quite a lot. We're at the end of this. Will we come up to the top or the bottom? Is the question. I'm still liking to see a push. This is top loss area. I have another one. If we're gonna go lower today, we We need to take this out, in my opinion. Let's take a small jabber, go up in this, maybe 10 points. And we can have a 10-point stop. One-to-one trade. We could fake out down here though, before we move up. Really? Wow. We're starting below here. Starting below this. I don't know if I like that. We're waiting for some news. We are, but that's 15 minutes past 3. I don't like this being outside here now. Making this shaggy move down. I don't trust this at all. I think we're gonna go higher. Before we go lower. I think we're gonna go lower. I think we're gonna take this out. Oh, come on. Why are you doing this? Maybe I have to drag this a little bit like this. Yikes. It's gonna stop me out. Aren't you? I would love to see you run here. But I don't think you missed me by 1 tick. We're getting really close with gold here up. Come on, let's go. Nasdaq, let's go. Yikes. Well, if you come up again, I will long. Because I do think you're coming up to those, taking out these stop losses here. Okay, don't torture me with this now. You have been choppy enough, so please kindly go up. Yeah, it's basically a one-to-one trade. I just wanted to go up here and take out these stop losses. Or we make a move down. Oh, come on. It's getting pretty annoyed right now. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Why are you doing this? Come on. Are you really? Wow, that's crazy. That is fucking nuts. Ooh, shit. This is not coming up, is it? No. This is freaking. I really think we're coming up there though. It's gonna do it when you least expect it, I guess. Yeah, I need to check on gold. Oh shit, look at that. Can't really afford gold going down too much now since we are down so much. Which is a bummer. Really a bummer. I trust in you, gold. What about Nazi? Yeah, maybe you are done. I really think you're coming up here though. But it's looking really heavy here. We'll see if this zone holds. 2 minutes to US industrial production month-over-month, US capacity utilization, and US manufacturing output, US industrial production, and in 45 minutes we have University of Michigan sentiment. That is pretty important one. Nasdaq usually react pretty much about from the University of Michigan sentiment. Crazy. 2 failed trades on the NAS here. Very weak area up here. Very, very weak area. But I think I'm done trying to go long. I cannot afford another one. If I want to keep in this heavy gold trade. All right. News are coming. Waiting. Okay, they are a bit lower than expected. Industrial production lower. Capacity utilization, it's almost in line. So it's pretty low. I would say it's bearish for Nasdaq. Oh, Nasdaq is hard to read right now. I so want this to go up to take out some shorts up here. But then again, my bias on the Nasdaq is down hard. I don't know. One last time. Wow, gold is really coming down here. Yikes. Really coming down here. Oh my god, it's at my break even almost. Crazy. Shit. All right. Of course, when we are a little bit thinner, it goes up. Can we break this line, please? Can we push it? It's been holding since 1.5 hours. Come on, let's push this. Come on. Nasty. Let's go. Okay. Yes, we broke above it. We have a gap down here though. And came right back to our entry here. We have to believe in our cause. We have to believe in our cause. Okay, good. Looks like gold is pushing up again. Hope that the Nazi also will push up. Yeah, coming back to our entry. Damn it. Eight minutes to open. It is trying so hard. Really hard. Come on, Nazi. Squeeze that those shorts. Squeeze them. Wow. Thick, thick, thick with offers up here, I guess. I'm gonna go in short here. It's thick to get past this. Yeah, I don't want to see this. Oh my God. What was that? Holy crap. Shit. Man, this is bad. Five minutes to the open. Ay, ay, ay. Yikes, if gold is coming down. Shit, it's really coming down here. Crazy. We look at that. How can it not take out Asia high? It's crazy. Crazy. Yikes. This is yikes. I wouldn't be sweating this much if I didn't have taken those bad Nasdaq trades. And I want to see this hold. I really do. 3 minutes to the open. Nazi. Oh, look at that. Look at Nazi. Oh, shit, 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 shit. Close, close. What the heck is going on? Now it cleared stop loss. Zone 1. Oh my God, Nazi, you little dog. Why? You're such a bad, bad, bad dog. Wow. Well, this zone is out. Now this exists. I do think we might claim that and go into this zone up here. Scratch the back of this. Should we take this with 5 and take that? Probably sell 3 in this area. One minute to the open. I hope it doesn't go down. I hope it goes up. No, it went down. Okay. Of course it did. Wow, it's selling. Is it selling though? Are you gonna sell this? Come on, sell it. $10. Good. We're in the stop loss zone. 5. Out 5. Can we crush this zone? Then we are gonna go. We are crushing it. We are crushing it, aren't we? We're coming up. Oh, we took all these zones. That's a lot of orders. Fat orders. Can we sell more though? Can we go lower here? Oh shit, we are really dropping here. So I want to take out, we are at 30 ticks. Let's take some here maybe. Buy 2. Buy 2. Oh, don't come back now. I really want to see this go. This is the PPI print. Oh man, gold is really dropping. Why? Why is gold dropping that much? I don't understand. Why is gold so heavy? Why is it so heavy? I don't think I want it to go any lower here. It's like crazy. Can you please go up? I'm visioning you going up. I just don't see why they're selling gold this hard. It's bad news. PPI. Inflation sticks. Bullish for gold. Damn. It's hard to embrace what I'm seeing in gold, really. Jesus Christ. No freaking way, man. Really? For real, though? For real? Are you coming back all the way down? We got 10 more minutes on this candle. 10 more minutes. But this is, I don't like this at all. If we come back here, this red. Need this candle to go up. Can we please do that? Shoot up to the skies. Please continue. I would love for you to continue. It is hesitating a lot here, which make me bullish. The sellers can't really push it. They are really trying though. Can the buyer outpace the sellers? That is the question. Ah. And it's coming back down again. Jesus. Really? Wow. Yeah, I can't take this. This is too much. Fuck. This is crazy to me. Crazy. Gold? Come on. Find some buyers. Where are the buyers? Where are the buyers? This is madness. 5 minutes on this candle. Why are there no buyers in gold? It's a crazy market. The market is going down. And so is gold. It's freaking unreal, man. It is freaking unreal. We are back at the freaking entrance here. That is crazy. It is freaking crazy. Two more minutes in this 50-minute candle. Can you show sign of weakness? Strength, not weakness. Please, no, 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 not weakness. Uh, if it comes down here, though, am I really interesting to hold this? 1.5 minutes away. 1.5 minutes away. 1 minute away. This is looking very heavy. Yikes. This is what I call, I don't know. Look how close we were to take the Asia high, and now we're back here. Will this be bought up? That is the question. Or is this gonna falter? Now we're gonna end this, and I don't feel happy about this going lower. Five more seconds. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna take this. Because this to me is just stupid. Damn. Wow, Nasdaq is really going down. I think we have, this is one. We have one left. Look at this, crazy. We got it all. Look at Nas, Nazi Nas. Look at Nazi Nas. We got our 5. That was a nice short into this. We're not gonna touch Nazi Nas now. Goldie. Oh, what if Goldie? Well, we are at this stop loss zone now. Longs are not happy. They are not happy. But I can't long this. We have, this was wave 1 complete. Now we are in wave 3, so we did not break this high. We did not actually. Sorry, bless me. Full extension of this wave is way down here. But we can't touch Nasdaq as of now. Are we finding buyers down here? No, we're not. We're not. Yikes. This was our entry. Came right back. Now we have a worse entry. Trying it again. Looks like gold is gonna be our death today, huh? This is crazy. Well, Since gold is on such a down path, we did hold, right? We did hold. It's really converged down here, though. Really converged. $250 with 10. That's still a lot. That's 200. $250 if it comes and stop us out here. It's crazy what's happening here. In gold. I am not believing what I see here. Can't believe that actually came all the way back again. No, this is crazy. Are we actually going strong down in gold? Wow, they did. They just wanted to tag us, huh? This is coming in lower. Shit, this is wrong. Wow. I regret saying I'm not gonna feel sorry if this come all the way back. I was so strong that this is gonna push up Asia high. Ugh. And now we broke through the floor of this pivot. We just broke it. Crazy. Absolutely insane. Wow, look at these ranges. Wow. Crazy. That's in a range, I see. These are the extremes. On the low side, we are on the very low side here. Michigan statement is coming up. Gonna come. I'm just thinking. It's gonna be bad news. Michigan statement is gonna be bad. And that's gonna be bullish for gold, and we're gonna skyrocket this. Let's try a small. This time we're gonna see. Maybe we stop here in this zone. And not MTC, NMQ. Okay. We did pass PPI. Stop losses have been made. Stop losses have been made. We came down here. I could see us come in lower. 30 seconds. News is coming. It's probably gonna take me out. Boom. I don't see. I don't have it yet. It's gonna take me out and then it's gonna run up. I don't have the number yet. Oh, 3.9. Yeah. Oh, it's actually better. What? No, the sentiment. University of Michigan. It's way worse. 5-year inflation prelim is good though. 1-year inflation is also okay. But the narrower is bad. Bad. What did NQ say about this? Actually, not much. Probably because we dropped already so much. Yeah, MNQ, I don't trust. Gold, I only see bullish. I don't know why, but I feel so bullish with gold. And it's been fighting my trades. It's dangerous to have a strong bias when the market is going in the wrong direction. Oh, what a push. So this is caught up. Still have this zone. I think it will take a lot to bring us all the way back there. Did I make this line earlier? 3-week high. Oh, it's previous week high. Interesting. We bounced off that. That means we probably closed a weekly fair value gap. Gold is going up. Yikes. However, this time I could not afford go in with 20. Which is a bummer. However, if we finally are going up here, maybe I should. Oh, gold has been such a struggle. When we have come up here, the next move is up in this red channel. Before that, we made a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. Now I made a lower low. Oh my god, this is so range bound. Crazy. If I would have taken my trades within the range, I would have made so much money. But that's in hindsight. You can't say that. That's not allowed. That is forbidden language. Strong reaction from this blue once again. We're now up in this highs. What is gold going to do this time? Can we trust this? Well, we can't really. We made a lower low and a higher high. We're still in the range. There is no defined path yet in gold. It's crazy range bound. I hate it. So maybe this is the place. That's the thing. I take out here. Nice. I made $600, which is good, by the way. But what if it comes up here to Asia high, and then I'm not in the trade? We're in the lows down here. People's average 385. That's up here. Wow, I had a massive $2,000 up here with 20 micros last time. Now I'm gonna be at best break even up there. I will not complain, but it's sad to see. It came all the way back. It even went below my the last pivot. If we are going with the rule of a full wave, we came down, we came up, we came down, we came up, and we came down, and then there is no more wave. The trajectory, however, is kind of the same for both of these, which would interact us going once more down here, possibly bouncing at this level and then going down. That's the if the trajectory is gonna hold, right? We are in this confliction zone where buyers stepped in last time, but they are now exhausted, so they're gone. They are gone. This still remains. Sellers. This bottom zone, will that possibly act as zone of resistance now? I have all this kerfuffle here. Could it be a zone of resistance? Possibly. Seek lower. Oh no. Can't touch the weekly low. Okay, we are coming up here. Are a lot of kerfuffle here. I would say in this red zone is good. I have this low here. We might peak this. What happened in gold? Nothing. Nothing really. We do need to visit this red zone though before I can react. So we need to wait. Fortunately, I can't trade very much longer because I have a scheduled event going that I must prepare for. What do I do with this gold trade? Is the question. I'm planning on letting it come up here. This reaction, however, was pretty bad. Went right down. Oh, look at that. So around 18:15 here, the time came to visit this low. Around 17, 15:55. Yeah, that's about here. That's pretty close. 18:15. It correlates very well with the timestamp when this trajectory comes down here. Yikes. I don't like that. So maybe we will see the rocket ship launch after 18 today, like it did here from this bottom. Crazy. So do I take out my trade at this level? It would be so freaking annoying if this climbed above here. And I missed taking out Asia High. Now we are at the level where it might come down, you know? This is the level where it might go down. Crazy, isn't it? So what will gold do? Oh yeah. I'm gonna take it. And I'm probably gonna miss it. But it's 700. Oh, gold has been such a beast today. Such a beast. If I buy it down here, I need to have a stop loss below. Do I buy if it comes up here? Maybe here. Ah, I'm gonna leave it. I'm frustrated. I am frustrated. We had such a good trade here. Such a good trade. With 20 micros. We were up 2000 here. I was so sure we're gonna go see the highs. So I didn't care taking it. That was my trade though. I need to accept it. Accept the risk. But then I made some stupid trying to long in the Nasdaq. It totally screwed me out. But then we had this boom rally up like a or so. Okay, so we are. Oh, Nasdaq is it's gonna be hard now after this move. I still think we might actually come and visit lower lows today. But it's so hard. That is such a hard trade to take. Yeah, I'm gonna end this stream and prepare for my evening. And I'll see if I take any other trade. I will record it if possible. Otherwise, I see you on Monday and have a great weekend.